Hi, this is Dax Judy with another tutorial, how to install BWTax Pro. Well, first you'll want the installer on the computer that has Sage installed, more specifically the BWG Access EXE. Find the installer package, double click it. It'll go ahead and start up a wizard. From the wizard you just click Next, Install Now, Install, give it access. It'll copy all the required files to the computer. Close when it's done. You'll notice that there is a new shortcut on your desktop. If you double click that, that will launch the program.